Thinking out of the box, magic of creative thinking. Many years ago in a small town, a farmer had a misfortune of owing a large sum of money to a moneylender. The moneylender was a very old, unattractive looking guy but fancied the farmer's beautiful daughter. So he proposed a bargain. He said he would forego the farmer's debt if he could marry his daughter. Both the farmer and his daughter were horrified with the proposal. So the cunning moneylender suggested that they let the Providence decide the matter. He told that he would put a black and a white pebble into an empty money bag. Then the girl would have to pick one pebble from the bag. If she picked the black pebble, she would become his wife and her father's debt would be forgiven. If she picked the white pebble, she need not to marry him and her father's debt would still be forgiven. But if she refused to pick a pebble, her father would be thrown in jail forever. They were standing on a pebble-strewn path in the farmer's field. As they talked, the moneylender bent over to pick two pebbles. As he picked them up, the sharp-eyed girl noticed that he had picked up two black pebbles and put them into the bag. Moneylender then asked the girl to pick a pebble from the money bag. Now imagine that you were standing in the field. What would you have done if you were the girl? Or if you had to advise her, what would you have told her? Careful analysis would produce three possibilities. 1. The girl should refuse to take a pebble. 2. The girl should show that there were two black pebbles in the bag and expose the moneylender as cheat. 3. The girl should pick a black pebble and sacrifice herself in order to save her father from his debt and imprisonment. Take a moment to ponder over the story. This story is used with the hope that it will make us appreciate the difference between lateral and logical thinking. The girl's dilemma could not be solved with traditional logical thinking. Think of the consequences if she chooses the above logical answers. What would you recommend to the girl to do? Well, here is what she did. The girl put her hand in the money bag and drew out a pebble. Without looking at it, she fumbled and let it fall onto the pebble-strewn path, where it immediately became lost among all the other pebbles. "Oh, how clumsy of me," she said, "but never mind. If you look into the bag for the one that is left, you will be able to tell which pebble I picked." Since the remaining pebble was black, it must be assumed that she had picked the white one. And since the moneylender dared not admit his dishonesty, the girl changed what seemed an impossible situation into an extremely advantageous one. Moral of the story: it's always possible to overcome a tough situation through out-of-the-box thinking and not give in to the only options you think you have to pick from. So next time, if you also think that you are caught in any extreme difficult situation, just think out of the box and make the situation an advantageous one. For more inspirational stories, please subscribe our channel LNC Pro. Thank you.